Folks, here's a quick video. This is just about sticking tile to the ceiling of a shower. I've got it all red guarded, as you can see. I mapped it out. Anyway, it's a little bit off, but that's okay. This is my shower. I'm not getting paid for it. Anyway, so mix your mud a little bit thick. It's pretty thick. It's kind of like parting the Red Sea. It's not falling in on me there on the side, so you're good to go. It's nice to have clean tools. Anyway, the thing to do is skim coat the back of your tile. Make sure you do that. Skim coat the ceiling before you do anything to it. Make sure you have your lines drawn out where you want everything, stuff like that. Make sure you get your spacers. Get it all done right. Anyway, Home Depot tile, $1.79. So what you do is you are going to, let me see if I can figure out how to do this real quick.